7 minus 5 gives us 2. And again here we have 7 minus 5. So 2 times 2, which equals 4. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 7 gives us 35. So 7 minus 35, then minus 5. Now we have 2 subtractions. And when we have more than 1 subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this subtraction. 7 minus 35 equals negative 28. So negative 28 minus 5, which equals negative 33. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 33.